Hi there, my name is Sasha Latushkin and this is my lovely wife, Diana.
We are dance teachers in Akademia Tańca Ireneusz Sulewski from Warsaw. If you are around, please don't hesitate, step by. You can show us your improvements. If you have any questions, feel free to contact us.
Thank you Dance Book for the invitation and Dance Spot for beautiful clothes.
I'm not surprised you have picked up Despacito as your first wedding dance. This is the biggest hit ever.
I have never seen so many views on YouTube.
So we wish you such a big success with your first wedding dance with the Despacito wedding choreography, which we have prepared for you today.
Okay.
So let's break it down, yeah? Okay. So, girls, we start alone. Bye, bye, boys. Okay, so you start with your feet together, and you have to look like $1 million, the biggest star ever, and you have to glow like this, okay? And you are so hot chick. So you have to smile.
We came to check it up. We touched, and then, oh wow!
So I'm hot. That's right, I'm hot. Now, when the music starts, we start with a hip action and hop to the side. Pick up your hands up and move your hips all the time like 8. Ting, ting, ting. Okay? I will show you from the back. So we start with the hip action to the side. Pum, hands up, pum, pum, and again, pum, pum. So we do 8 with the hips. 8, 8, 8 movement all the time. Okay? And hands up, 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 cross, and on your body down. After we do this 8 move hip action, we do shimmy, shimmy, shimmy with our shoulders. So you take your shoulder forward and backward, and you change. Forward, backward, like this, forward, backward. But we have to do it very fast. So it's like shaky, shaky move, shaky, 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 shaky. And with the music you can hear taran, taran, taran. So this is the part, taran, 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 taran. And that's it.
Boys, you need to be relaxed, be yourself, and walk like you walk. You touch, you react. Oh wow. It hurts. She's so hot. And you need to watch your lady like first time. Okay. After shimmy shimmy, we turn your lady to left side. One more time. So I catch my lady, I turn. Okay, and from this point we start with right arm and put it over, and left arm and put it over.
So man, you pick up lady's hand, pick up lady's arm and put it on your shoulder and do it really slowly. We have 4 beats here. 1, 2, 3, 4. So no need to hurry.
Okay, and now we lead to 8s, 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 8s. Don't stay like surprised about this 8s. You need to lead this 8s. Yes, you can go lower, stay up, and we need to be excited about all these things going on around. Okay, one more time. 1, 2, 3, 4, and circle 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, how to do this part? So after the 8s, on 5, girls, we straight up the knees and we put our hips back. So we push hips backwards. And now make a circle with your hips, with your bum. Pum, 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 going on the other foot. So you finish on your left foot, knees bend. Bend your knees.
Okay, ladies, be careful about this position. This one is not sexy. Yes, you need to break your spine here.
Break your spine a little bit. So what Sasha meant was that when you push your hips back, don't lean on with your face. Keep your shoulders up, chest up, and push as much as you can your hips backwards without leaning your back. Okay? So let's do it again from the 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Straight your knees. 5, 6, 7, 8.
And we go opposite way.
So we are away from each other. Okay? And now, men, pick up yourself and straight up your knees, and we finish together. We're in closed position.
Okay, let's check out one more time the timing. So shimmy, shimmy, shimmy,
Trin, trin, trin.
and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Opposite. Okay, now we're gonna show you the most popular step ever. It's called two-step. 1, 2, 3, 4. You can
Yeah,
see
we
it.
are sure you know this step already. So
Yes.
it's not going to take much time for you to do this.
Okay, to feel and to look better in this two-step, you can use bounce, you can use wave, you can use 8, hip, 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2. Don't be stiff here, okay? You could be, but you don't need, okay? Okay, let's try together. We finished opposite,
Direction.
and now we close 1, 2, 3, 4, and we go around 5, 6, 7, 8, close. One more time to the left. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8.
Okay, now about the spin. How do we spin? We spin like a teddy bear. Like a teddy bear. So what it means that we move our body weight from one foot to the other. Hop, hop, hop.
And don't twist your feet. These positions are not pretty. This one is for ballet only, okay? So keep your feet parallel and go side, 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 okay? And
Relax your knees, of course, and you can add to the movement your hip action, the 8 action.
And remember, hip action starts from your legs. So we first straight our leg and it goes higher to the hip. So if you will use only hip, it could be like this. So we need
You need to squeeze. You need to squeeze to the floor.
Okay. Let's do it from the top. So shimmy, shimmy, shimmy. We turn. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Opposite. And come closer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Close. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, and we finish this way to your guests. Okay?
So you have your guests on your side right now.